has it that with a set of dramatic changes, 2025 represents a fresh chapter for the Skoda Scala. With characteristics including a new front grille, contemporary LED headlights, and rebuilt bumpers to improve aerodynamics, the Scala's outside design now seems more forceful and modern. These changes increase the efficiency of the car and present a more premium impression. Now the flagship model with a sporty look and extra features including unique seats, red highlights, and bigger alloy wheels, the Monte Carlo is one of the outstanding variations. The value provided by these improved features much exceeds the extra expense even if the price has gone up. This story is only a fiction. Hopefully, it will inspire us going forward. The 2025 Skoda Scala shows Skoda's dedication to ongoing improvement and satisfying modern consumers' needs. The Scala stays a top choice in the small hatchback market with its revised design, state-of-the-art technologies, and optimum comfort, thereby serving urban lives without compromising efficiency or quality. Thank you for watching.